Flutter is a portable UI toolkit for building beautiful native applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base. Here at Google, we've been busy with Flutter over the last year and want to show you what we've been working on. We shipped several updates, including our 1.0 stable release, and added features and enhancements many of you have asked for. For example, we added support for integrating Flutter into existing Android or iOS apps, making it easier to get started with Flutter even if you already have an app in the store. Also, we have put a lot of investment into our add-ins for Visual Studio Code and Android Studio, and created a new suite of web-based tooling for debugging and inspecting Flutter applications. We've continued to invest in iOS with an extensive and growing library of widgets and classes that make it easier than ever to build pixel-perfect iOS apps. Beyond the core framework itself, we have been building out the supporting ecosystem, publishing new packages for Google Maps, Firebase ML Vision, in-app purchases, and web views. Dart is the programming language for Flutter because it is optimized for client development. With Hot Reload, powered by the Dart VM, developers can iteratively make changes and instantly see results in their app. Also, Dart compiles to native machine code for mobile and desktop, as well as JavaScript for the web. We've continued to invest in ways to make Dart a great language for Flutter development. For example, as part of Flutter 1.5, we added new language features including support for conditional UI. We have also focused on making compiled code even faster, leading to a 15% performance increase in many cases. Now that Flutter has shipped several releases for mobile, we're setting our sights wider to other devices and application types, including the web, Chromebooks, Windows, Mac, and embedded form factors. Flutter is an open source product, so the community is a major source of feedback, documentation, and code contributions. We've had major community contributions towards areas such as desktop support and state management, which makes Flutter better for everyone. This past year, we've seen developers all over the world creating apps with Flutter that are being used by hundreds of millions of users. And LinkedIn data says Flutter is the fastest growing skill among software engineers. Within Google, we are using Flutter in a wide variety of products, from Google Ads to smart displays like the Google Home Hub. Now is the perfect time to start developing your apps with Flutter. Try it out at flutter.dev, where you will also find code labs, documentation, and a guide to getting started. We can't wait to see what you build.